welcome to day one of the 100 rep six-pack abs. This is super exciting because you are going to see and feel your abs for the very first time after our 30 days together. So for our video today, we are going to be doing higher vibes. Let's get right into it, but first make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet and hit that like button. All right, let's get started. So for this workout, we're going to come onto our hands and toes. We're gonna go into a high plank pose for 100 seconds, okay? So go ahead and meet me here. Let's go ahead and begin. So come up high onto the toes and onto the hands. So in our plank pose, I'm gonna walk you through the positioning here as you hold it. Okay, so shoulders are over wrists. You wanna think about spiraling your biceps forward and your triceps back. Feel your heart radiating forward. Feel the abs pulling in and up. So close the ribs up, pull the belly button up into the spine, squeeze your booty, and then engage the inner thighs. Together, the legs are nice and tight. Nice job. All right, now let's talk about the shoulders. Keep pressing the floor away right here. So you're gonna not sink down into the shoulders, but actually instead push the floor away so that the shoulder blades actually come further apart from each other. Okay, how are you doing? We are 50 seconds in, so we've got another 15 seconds to go. Okay, so keep holding, keep holding. This is where you start to build the strength. If you ever need to modify, then just go ahead and put the knees down right here like this. Continue to work on your form, and then when you're ready, join me back up on your toes. Okay, keep going, keep going. We've got about 30 more seconds here. So this is where you start to build strength. Enjoy the burn, push the floor away. Remember, biceps forward, triceps back. It's really important to remember that. And keep having a slight little dome in the upper back. Push the floor away. Beautiful. Squeeze the inner thighs, squeeze the booty. All right, here we go. This is our last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 100 seconds here in our high plank. Great job, amazing work today. Great job today. Remember that every single time you show up on your mat for one of my workouts, you are getting stronger and more confident every single day. So check in with me using the hashtag StretchyFitAbs. And remember that this entire 30-day challenge is available inside of my Stretchy Fit app, where you can download the videos and watch without Wi-Fi. Pretty cool. Plus there are exclusive workouts, programs, challenges. We've got an amazing community inside of there as well. And I give new workouts every single week. It is amazing. Definitely check that out. The link is in the description box below. So download, you can start your free trial today. And I will see you in our next video. Love you so much. Bye.